Hello kids, hope you all are safe and happy at home. Today we are going to start a new chapter about the little fish. The name of the chapter is The Little Fish, and this chapter is about a small fish, a small little fish who remains every time unhappy. Now we'll see what had happened to the little fish and why he was always unhappy. So, we'll see in this chapter the reason behind the sadness of this little fish. A little fish story. There are a great million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very little one at that. So, this story is about a little fish. There are millions of fish in the sea, but this story is only about a little fish. Yes, a small fish. Kids, as you all know, there are so many fish in the seas. Word million represents a very big in number. Now, this little fish has everything to make him contented. Contented means to satisfy, to happy. But then too he was not happy. So, there were everything to make him satisfy. But still he was not happy. Kids, you will laugh if I'll tell the reason why he was not happy, because he was very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. He would say over and over again, if I were only larger, how much happier I would be. And he said it so many times, then he believed it. So, this little fish kept on saying, what he kept on saying? That he is small in size and the larger would make him happy. He wanted to be larger fish like all other fish. One day he was swimming alone with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he, when suddenly with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Your word school means kids. We have already learned about collective noun. So your word school means what? Yes, a group of fish. So one day when the little fish was swimming with the other larger fish, he was thankful and happy for the big size, and all of the sudden, what happened all of the sudden? They were all caught in a net. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as it all was being. So kids, here the meaning of the word floundering means to struggle. All the fishes were struggling and splashing to come out of the net. When they were being pulled out of the water into the sunlight, then what happened? The smallest fish in the school, who was the smallest of all, what he did? He wriggled, means twist and turn quickly. He wriggled and he came and slipped into the cool water, cool clear water. Now the fish was very happy and relaxed. Emptied into the boat, and smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped into the cool clear water. How good it felt. Yes, now the little fish was very happy. Now kids, you came to know about the reason why he is now happy with his size. He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him saying that he wished to be anything but a little fish. He swam here and there. After he slipped from that net, into the cool and clear water. He was very happy. He swam here and there and everywhere. And rest of the fish, who he knew them well, said that they never again heard him saying that he wished to be anything but a little fish. So kids, the little fish remained very happy after this incident. His friends said that he never got sad about his size and always wished to be a little fish. So, we should never underestimate ourselves that we are very small or we are very large. We should be happy about what we are and how we are. So, this small fish story, a little fish story, is written by Enos B. Comstock. Now we'll see some new words. Million. Million means what? There were million fish in the seas. Means very large in number. Floundering. Floundering means struggling. Can you see here how the fish is struggling? Meshes means material made of a network of wire or thread. Meshes means material made of a network of wire or thread. So all the fishes got stuck in a large mess. Haul. Haul means to pull or drag with force. To pull or drag with force. Here you can see a man is pulling his string to pull the fish outside of the water. Contented. Contented means feeling or expressing happiness. The little fish, he was now contented. He was now feeling happy, satisfied with the small size. Splashing. Splashing means sound made with liquid to splash the water. Emptied. Emptied means to remove the content. See, this boy is showing his pocket that it is been emptied, to remove everything from the pocket. Wriggle. See how the fish is wriggling, to twist and turn quickly. So in this way a little fish wriggled and he rescued himself from the net. Warning. Warning means a serious message. Means we should not do that thing again and again. So kids, this was all about a little fish story. Thank you. Take care.